What's going on, man? It's your boy Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and we're back at it again. I have this beautiful candy apple red. Listen, I love candy apple red. Candy apple red looks good on most cars. Candy apple red Kia. What is it? It's K9? It's a Stinger.
Yeah.
Oh, man, this thing's a Stinger, man. This thing's a real deal. I had a little accident. We got to fix that a little bit. But hey, listen, 24-inch gold Forgiatos, a Kia suspension lift, Coast to Coast Customs. We did it. Back at it again. Gotta love it. Got the big cap on here. You know, we did this car probably about a year ago or so, but it's the first time I got a chance to get it back on the camera and get it back here to show you guys, man. 24s, Kia, candy apple red, 24-inch gold Forgiatos, Coast to Coast. We always doing something different, baby.
On the way, we came to play. Yeah. We came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, on the track, man, get it back, man. In the fast lane, with my feet up. Remember bad days, when no cash came. Check the bag, man, see the Rio. Never bought me, always fresh, had to get it off the reps. Now I'm on a trip with my little ones. Keep it coming, we the best, I can never look a mess. I impressed and I watch the paper still come. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah.
Good Forgiatos, those big metal floating caps. Cadillac XT6, new body. Coast to Coast Customs. Beautiful.
We came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play.
Listen, you could buy a Cadillac, or you could buy the V. Big boy right here, guys. Ain't no normal Cadillac right there. Big boy. Forgiatos. Big brakes back there. It's a long one. 26s. They call it the Ultra Mega Edition. I love it. Having a good time. Coast to coast. Like I say always, guys, stay in your lane. Do what makes you happy. Love it. Looking good. Ooh, that grill. That's a mean car. Mean truck. Coming bad at you, look at that. 20 years on the caddy. Escalade. Boom.
Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, on the come up, got my funds up, on the 1-1. I believe that, from a loved one.
Got that new Buick and VIST on the 22-inch directional massive cross with the Buick floating caps. Little spaceship going on here. Avenir. This new Buick, I can't even pronounce. Buick floating caps.
And my son, I go down, you don't see that. Put the nails like the rest, I'm the saying on the best spot.
22-inch center gold Daytons with the real deal Vogues on the Cadillac. Gonna get some more videos of this coming soon. Deep dish in the rear, staggered. Reverse. We'll get you some videos coming soon.
Woo! Got the Ruchis on here. With the off-road tires looking mean. Looks real good. That Chevy truck, that brand new. Woo-wee. Got that big dash. Beautiful truck. Beautiful truck. There you go. Got a brand new Cadillac Escalade. 26-inch Madison Frost. The large floating cab. Blacked out edition. Very sexy. Black it all out. Coast to Coast Customs, always doing something funky. 60s, baby. Yeah, super clean. Brand new. It's got like 400 miles on it. Something different.
Coast to Coast just finished up the 6s and the Ford. Got the Ford floating caps in there. 6s still give you a nice ride. Those 305 3026s fill up the wheel well. And the Ford floating caps on the 6s just finished up. Coast to Coast Custom. F-250 came down, Port St. Lucie. I'm sorry, Fort Pierce. 24 by 14s. Said take care of me, got polished in stock. 35-inch tires in stock. Rides the same day. Cadillac XT6, 22-inch new Asantes. Comes that gunmetal finish, but almost looks like the exact same color of the car. Coast to Coast Customs. Got that floating center cap in the middle. Sorry, Asante, we're about to change them out to say Cadillac. Although they look beautiful.
Listen, are you guys ready for this deal? This deal is stupid, right? Y'all know what time it is. It's one set and one set only. 24-inch staggered Asantes for $27.99. Just wheels, staggered 24s, one set. But baby, when it's gone, it's gone.
28-inch Asante staggered, 5-on-5, with tires. No, they're definitely not perfect. But wheels and tires, $2,500. shit. You got plenty of money to make them, to refinish them, repaint them. Just the lips are probably worth that. $2,500.